Readers are leaders. Many great people have said that if you want to improve any aspect of your life, then you should start reading books. But so many times, in the effort done for the cause of good, we end up doing our own harm. Just as to build muscle, you have to lift heavy weights. But while doing so, if your body posture is not correct while you lift the heavy weights, then you will end up doing your own harm in the form of any injury. In the same way, if you have adopted the habit of reading, but you are not doing it correctly, then it will be just a waste of time. You would not be reaping any real benefits from reading any book. Today, I am going to teach you the most effective way of reading any book that is 100% going to change your life without any doubt. And this new way will also motivate you more to read more and more books. Many good people who have certainly reached that good level in their life, these days they are bragging about that how many books they read in a week or in few days. But really, if you are reading books like that in so much hurry, then you can never really reap the real benefits from reading any book. Because you have to understand one thing. In any good book, there is 10 to 15 years of author's experience that went into writing that. All the information and the wisdom that is being provided in the book is the collective experience of authors of many years. And if that book is related to psychology and philosophy, then the chances are that there is 30 to 40 years of experience of many authors that went into writing that book. And if you think that you can digest and gather all the information that is provided in the book by just reading it in few days, then you are wrong, because it is humanly impossible to do so. Some people these days are also taking speed reading techniques to read any book. If you will use these speed reading tactics to read any book, then you will just waste your time. Because in the speed reading, you are just reading the text that is being written in the book at a very superficial level. You are not really getting into the in-depth of the book to really understand what the author is saying. If you want to reap the fullest benefits of reading any book, then just merely reading the pages and the information that is being provided in the book is not enough. You have to get practical with it. You have to actively engage with the book. So you have to follow the active reading process. In this, while reading any book, you have to do some other things alongside too. The first thing is active questioning. While reading any book, you have to actively engage in questioning the book. Like if author is presenting some facts to you, or if author is describing some laws, then you should put question mark on that, like why is it like that, or why that particular law led to that particular outcome. So in this way you have to actively engage in questioning the book. When you will question the book like that, then you will be able to understand the mindset of the author deeply, and you will also understand deeply what the author really want to say. Second thing is make notes. If there is some information in the book which really fascinates you, or if there is some information which you think is really important to you, then you should make notes of that. You can use any note making application in your phone, or you can also use a pen or paper to make notes. Now the third point, which is most important, is to take action. Now you have to make an action plan that how you are going to use that information practically in your life. Just remember that getting practical with the information provided in any book is most important. If you don't get practical with the information, then there is no use of reading any book, no matter how good it is. If you find this video valuable, then you can subscribe to this channel to see more such videos in the future.